Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Stellar Lumens real quick because, if you guys seen the price action in Stellar the last couple of days, weeks, sellers definitely need to beware because this market is being fueled by the buyers. This market hasn't traded in these levels in such a long time that it's kind of like buyers don't even try. Don't even try selling in the market in Stellar right now because these bulls, these buyers, they're letting you know how much they want to control this price. So let's go ahead and break it down because we did a price prediction in Stellar before this crazy breakout back on November the 15th. And you guys can see that even we underestimated how strong this market is going to be in the breakout because we had an ultimate TP price in Stellar like around 15 cents. That was it, right? That was it. 12.77% right there. And soon after, the next day, Stellar completely blew out the water. Look at this. It came all the way up here to 24 cents, 79.81% in just a couple of days from when we did our price prediction. So if you was able to ride this wave to Stellar, let me go and pull that back. If you was able to ride the wave in Stellar all the way up to where the high occurred on November 24th, this is very unusual. 373% in just a short time frame. Your portfolio, your position has increased. Crazy. So you guys can see as I zoom out that we haven't seen this price action in Stellar in like the high that occurred on Sunday since May of 2021. 3 years ago. Many of you probably wasn't even thinking about cryptocurrency in 2021. That's how long it's been since this cryptocurrency tested 63 cents. So those people who were stuck, who did buy Stellar back in 2021, hey, at least they broke even for a little bit. Now maybe the move might continue though. Let's see. Let's go and get rid of that. And we're going to go ahead and clean up this chart because these pockets definitely has no concern with where price currently is in Stellar. So we're just going to go ahead and delete those. And then we're going to create these trends. Not going to do that one. Now let's look at this on the 330 because right now this area right here is massive of a pocket of selling right there. That's why the market currently in Stellar is down 9.25% right now. Now we can kind of chip it away up here now, but this is where the market is increasing the selling pressure. Okay, we got more people trying to come in and sell their Stellar. They, like I said, 372% in a couple of days. You're crazy if you're just going to continue to hold on to that. When you have it locked up already in your account, you can see that 372% increase. People are like, okay, cool, let me go ahead and take it now. That's what we're seeing in the market in Stellar. Now, when this occurred on the 24th of November, this is where the market buyers told us, hey, I want to buy Stellar around 41 to 43 cents. So that's a pocket of buying because price did not fall below this area. So now you can see the positions of where most people are. Okay, most of the sellers are up here, most of the buyers are here, and this will let us know, okay, which one of you guys want to move the market. Whichever one of these pockets breaks will tell us that. So here's Stellar on the 330. Another thing you guys can see is that potentially the market here in Stellar is trying to make higher lows, which would be conducive for us to see the market break higher. Okay. Now, right now, I'm not a fan of looking for Stellar to go higher outside of this area right here, potentially holding as support. You guys can see how the buyers maintained price when the weakness occurred here on this 3 hour, and the market went up. We need to see that again. So whoever bought right here in Stellar, they're trying to buy again. Someone is trying to support the price. Now, you only got a limited amount of resources to actually come in and support a certain price level. So there's not a lot of demand in this pocket. Then you would expect the market to break through this pocket and then come down and test this next one, or even this one down there around 41 to like 43 cents. Okay, and look at this. 12 hours and 9 minutes left on this current daily time frame. If we close here on the low of the bar in Stellar, I mean, common sense would be, okay, cool, we're going to at least dip a little bit lower in price. And that's kind of what I'm seeing right now in Stellar, is for the market to dip a little bit lower. Now, this may just be a momentary thing. Like I said, this is a very, very strong market right now in Stellar. So maybe we might just see a dip. It may even hold this current pocket that we got right now on our chart. That would be the best outcome in the midst of this selling that we're seeing in Stellar, is for the market to hold this first pocket of buying. That happens, then we're going to continue to see the market go a lot higher. If it don't, we got these other two pockets into the market in Stellar that we will target. Okay. So yeah, let's do that. Let me get rid of that trend line. The worst thing that can occur for many people who is buying Stellar up here at this 55 cent level is for the market to come all the way down here to this trend line and test it. This is where you will want to buy Stellar, down here on this trend line. So if you're not too antsy, if you're not too fidgety, you guys can go ahead and allow the market to come down to more levels. Okay, so this is what we're looking at right now. These three pockets right here. I want to see the market hold one of these three. If so, then it tells me that the market is still bullish and that we're going to anticipate higher prices. We may just consolidate for a little bit. All right, so I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.